Good afternoon, children. Welcome to online maths class. The lesson is arithmetic progression, exercise 5.3. In the last class, we solved up to 19th problem. Okay, now this is the 20th problem. See, I'm going to read that 20th problem. The problem is in a potato race, a bucket is placed at the starting point, which is 5 meters from the first potato, and the other potatoes are placed 3 meters apart in a straight line. There are 10 potatoes in the line. A competitor starts from the bucket, picks up the nearest potato, runs back with it, drop it in the bucket, runs back to pick up the next potato, runs to the bucket to drop it in, and she continues in the same way until all the potatoes are in the bucket. What is the total distance the competitor has to run? Now, this is the question. For that, they given the hint. To pick up the first potato and the second potato, the total distance in meters run by a competitor is 2 into 5 plus 2 into 5 plus 3. So how they are given? Look at that. See, the picture is like this. For the picture, here is the picture like this. This is the straight line. Here is the bucket. Okay, here is the one potato. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this, 7, 8, 9, and here is the 10. Here some trees are there. Okay, now here is the bucket. Here the first potato from here to here is 5 meter, and each potato distance is 3 meter, 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 3, 3. Now, to pick up the first potato and the second potato, look at that. A bucket is placed at the starting point. Here is the starting point. Okay, which is 5 meter from the first potato. Here this bucket is 5 meter from this first potato, and the other potatoes are placed 3 meter apart in a straight line. Understood? Now, a competitor starts from the bucket. Now from here he starts and moves. Here he is the competitor. He starts and moves 5 meter and picks up the first potato and again moves back. So total distance traveled is 5 plus 5 is 10 meter. See, first potato he is taking 10 meters. He's run 10 meters. Then he dropped. Then next is he starts from here and moves to here. That means 5 plus 3 is 8 meter. 5 plus 3 is 8 meter, and again he comes back 8 meter. So total distance is 8 plus 8, 16 meters. Okay, each time is go on changing this. Then next potato. Here is this 8 plus 3 is 11 meter, then again 11 plus 3, 14 meter, like this. Clear? See, this is a one way. 5, 8, 11, 14. This is a one way. So we form, that is the given, the distance between the first potato and the bucket. The distance between the first potato and the bucket equals 5 meter. Okay. Then distance between next two potatoes. Distance between next two potatoes equals 3 meter each. 3 meter each. Look at that, how it is taken. Now the 3 meter each. Next, here the series or AP you can write. The series is 5, 8, 11, 14, etc. etc. Now A is 5, B is 8 minus 5 is 3. Yeah. Then total distance traveled. Total distance traveled for 10 potatoes. For 10 potatoes is equal to 2 into 5 plus 8 plus 11 plus etc. etc. plus 10 terms. 10 terms. So now do this one. 2 into n by 2 means 10 by 2 of 2 into 5 plus n means 10 minus 1 into d means 3. Understood? I am rubbing this. Now this is 2 into 10 by 2 of 2 5s are 10 plus 9 into 3. That is equal to 2 into, you can write it 5 into 10 plus 27. That is equal to 2 into 5, 27, 37. And this is 2 into 5 7s are 35, 3, 5 3s are 15, 18. Now, what is this? 2 5s are 10, 1, 2 8s are 16, 1, 17, 1, 2 1s are 2 plus 1, 3, 370 meters. Clear this? So this is the distance covered by the competitor to pick up 10 potatoes. Clear? Now see the exercise 5.4 optional questions. In that, first, second, try yourself. Now I am doing the fourth one. The houses of a row are numbered consecutively from 1 to 49. Show that there is a value of x such that the sum of the numbers of the houses preceding the house numbered x is equal to the sum of the numbers of the houses following it. Find this value of x. I am repeating, the houses of a row are numbered consecutively from 1 to 49. First house is 1, last house is 49. Show that there is a value of x. That means we have to find out the middle house. It is given as x. That value we should find out such that the sum of the numbers of the houses preceding the house numbered x is equal to the sum of the numbers of the houses following it. Find the value of x. That means here the value of the houses, like this. There is a house 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. etc. Here is a x, and here etc. etc. Here is 49. This is the houses numbered from 1 to 49. There is a house numbered as x. There is a house numbered as x. Okay. Now, what the condition is given? What is the condition is given is the sum of the houses from this preceding the x. That means from here to here, this sum is equal to this sum. Sum of the houses numbered preceding this is equal to the sum of these numbers. Now we have to find out the value of this x. Clear? Now how to proceed this? For that, just first you write down the houses as H1, H2, H3, etc. etc. The houses are numbered like H1, H2, H3, etc. etc. Here is house number Hx. The preceding of this house can be written as x minus 1, and succeeding of this can be written as x plus 1. So like this it continues. Then here is H49, the number. Now the house number we can take it as 1, 2, 3, etc. etc. And here is the house number is x minus 1, and here is x, and this is x plus 1, etc. etc. and this is 49. Now here we have three series. Okay, from 1 to 49, then from 1 to x minus 1, then from x plus 1 to 49. Like this. Now the number, house number from here to here is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. etc. plus x minus 1. This is according to statement. According to statement, what they given? What it says? Statement is given that, look at the statement. The sum of the numbers of the houses preceding the house numbered x. Here is the house number x. Preceding of that sum is equal to the sum of the numbers of the houses following it. That means x plus 1, x plus etc. etc. plus 49. So this sum, these two sums are equal. That is the given one. Okay. Now here is, you can take it as 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. etc. plus x minus 1. Now here this x plus 1 etc. etc. This can be written as 1 to 49, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. etc. plus 49. Okay, this is the sum of from 1 to 49. From this sum, just subtract the sum of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. etc. up to x. This is the sum of the numbers from 1 to x. Here from 1 to 49. From this sum, if you subtract this, then you will get the sum of this. So this is the procedure, you should follow that. That is the hint they given in the bracket. See in that s x minus 1, s x minus 1 is equal to, what is that? S49 minus Sx. That is sum of x minus 1 term is equal to 1 to 49 is S49 minus 1 plus 2 plus 3 etc. etc. plus 6 is Sx. Followed? So this is the procedure. Now apply the formula. That means Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus L formula. Apply this formula, then what we are going to get here? N means x minus 1 by 2 into a value is 1 plus L means x minus 1. Is it right? Then is equal to, here 1 to 49, what you have to write? 49 by 2 of 2 into 1 plus, here is 2 into 1, a means 1 plus 49. Then minus x by 2 into 1 plus x. So here we are applying this n by 2 into a plus L. Here also n by 2 into a plus L. Here also n by 2 into a plus L. Now on simplifying this, x minus 1 by 2. Here is 1 get cancelled. Here you got x equals. Then here 49 by 2 into 50 minus x by 2 into 1 plus x. Here do one thing, 1 by 2 as common, it becomes x into x minus 1 is equal to 1 by 2 common. Here is 49 into 50 minus, here 1 by 2 common, then left out is x into x plus 1. Here half of get cancelled, then this becomes x square minus x is equal to 5 9s are 45, 4, 5 4s are 20 plus 4, 24 minus x square minus x. Okay. Now, when you shift this one to this side, x square plus x square minus x plus x is equal to 2450. Now, x get cancelled. Now, I am rubbing this. Now, what is this? 2x square is equal to 2450. Now x square is equal to 2450 by 2, and dividing 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 2s are 4, 1 2 5s are this one. Then x is equal to square root of 1225. Now this is what? 35. So what is the value of x? X is equal to 35. Clear? So if you are not understand, just pause the video and go through the steps. Then you will know that how to solve the problem. Clear? Now look at the next different problems. What the problems are, optional questions are there. Try yourself. If you are not getting that, you have reference books. Go through that, Rachana Sagas. It is there. Still you have doubt, you can call me, or in the doubt clearance class you can clarify your doubts. Now the ratio of the sum of n terms. So these are the hard questions. You should practice this because it is given in the exam, the previous exams. The ratio of the sum of n terms of two APs is 7n plus 1 is to 4n plus 27. Find the ratio of their mth terms. Find the ratio of their mth terms. Okay. Now for this solution, I am writing like this. Solution. Let A1, A2 or the first terms of two APs. You can take it as a small a and capital A also. Nothing wrong. So just you write down like this. Two APs and D1, D2 are the common differences of two APs. Common differences of two APs. Clear? Let us take first is like this. A1, A2 are the first terms of two APs and D1, D2 are the common differences of two APs. Then Sn, first one, is equal to n by 2 into 2a1 plus n minus 1 into d1. This is the first one. And second one, S dash n. The second one, you can write this as n by 2 into 2a2 plus n minus 1 into d2. Okay, so are you clear this? Here first term common difference. First term common difference. If you want, you can take it to small a, capital A, like that. Then the ratio is given. Sn by S dash n is equal to n by 2 into 2a1 plus n minus 1 into d1 whole divided by n by 2 into 2a2 plus n minus 1 into d2. Here this n by 2 get cancelled. Now left out is this n minus 1. See, the ratio is given. You can write this as 7n plus 1 by 4n plus 27. So this is a what? They are given. The ratio is given like this. Okay. Now, in order to get the mth term, so what you can write? To find the ratio of the mth terms, to find the ratio of mth term, ratio of mth terms of two APs, we should replace n by 2m minus 1. 2m minus 1 in equation 1. Okay. Now here we can take this one 2a1 plus in place of n you write down 2m minus 1 into d1 whole divided by 2a2 plus 2m minus 1 into d2 is equal to again here 7 into 2m minus 1 plus 1 whole divided by 4 into 2m minus 1 plus 27. Look at that. See 2m minus 1. Why we should replace n by 2m minus 1? So after doing the problem, you will know that to get the ratio, that means mth term, we should replace like this. Clear? Now, what's the next? Here is 2a1 plus 2m minus 2 into d1 by 2a2 plus 2m minus 2 into d2 is equal to, now here is 14m minus 7 by 14m minus 7 plus 1 divided by 2 4s are 8m minus 4 plus 27. Now here look at this 2, 2, 2. Taking 2 common. So left out is what? A1 plus m minus 1 into d1 whole divided by 2 into a2 plus m minus 1 into d2 is equal to, what is this? 14m minus 6 by 8m plus 23. Okay, now this get cancelled. Now this you can write this as what? Mth term. So the ratio of the mth term. Therefore, the ratio of mth terms is 14m minus 6 is to 8m plus 23. Clear? So, I think you not understand this. You just go through the videos and then pause it wherever you are not understand. And now see the next question. The ratio of the sums of m and n terms of an AP is m square is to n square. Show that the ratio of mth and nth terms. Mth and nth terms means am by an. This ratio is 2m minus 1 is to 2n minus 1. We have to show this. Okay. Now, solution. Let A be the first term and D is the common difference. Let us take like this of two APs. Right. Then sum to m terms. Sum to m terms means Sm is equal to m by 2 into 2a plus m minus 1 into d. Okay, similarly, sum to n terms is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Got it? See here, m terms, sum to m terms this, and this is the sum to n terms. And look at the ratio of the sums of m and n terms of an AP. That means Sm by Sn is given by m square by n square. This is what they given. Now, on substituting this, m by 2 into 2a plus m minus 1 into d whole divided by n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to m square by n square. Now look at the next step, very very important one. See, you are shifting this to down, or here 2 get cancelled when 2 goes up and downs. So m by 2 becomes 2 by m and n by 2 becomes 2 by n. Okay, see, half into half. Here for example, here I am showing this is half into m, and here also half into n. So half of get cancelled. M goes to here into m, and n goes to here into m. So 1m get cancelled, 1n get cancelled. Clear? So what I am writing here is 2a plus m minus 1 into d is by 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to m by n. M by n. So look at this part. So what I explained, you just pause the video and see once again how we are how I cancel the terms. You will know that. Then next is just cross multiply this. On cross multiplying, what you are going to get here is 2a plus, see here is m minus 1 into d. The whole thing is multiplied by n is equal to m into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Clear? So this is a cross multiplication. Then after this, what you will getting 2an plus mn d minus n d. This is equal to 2am plus mn into d mnd minus md. Like this you will get. Now look at this, m plus mnd plus mnd, when you shift one to other side, it becomes 0. It will cancel each other. Then next is what? You shift this one to this side, 2an minus 2am is equal to, here is nd minus md. So this you are shifting to this side. This you are shifting to this side. Here what is common? 2a is common. Left out is n minus m. Here also d is common. Left out is n minus m. Look at this, n minus m cancel. Therefore d is equal to 2a. D is equal to 2a. Are you followed? Look at that once again. What the terms we are taken, the sum to m terms and sum to n terms. We are taking the formula, and then what they given the statement, we are written that. Here is the main thing, cancellation. Then you will get like this. Okay, this is the first part and this is the second part. Okay, now I am rubbing this. Now what they asked, mth and nth terms. Mth and nth terms. Mth and nth terms means am by an is equal to a plus m minus 1 into d by a plus n minus 1 into d. Now a plus m minus 1 into 2a, substitute the value of d is 2a, by a plus n minus 1 into 2a. Now multiplying this, a plus 2am minus 2a by a plus 2an minus 2a. Now here is 2am minus 2a ನಲ್ಲಿ 1a ಹೋಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ minus a is left. Similarly here is 2an minus a. Now a common, left out is 2m minus 1 by a common 2n minus 1. A get cancelled. So am is to an is equal to 2m minus 1 into is to 2n minus 1. See, this is a very important hard questions these are. So you should practice this. You should write down twice, thrice, even 5 times. Drill work this. So how to convert that, how to substitute, how to cancel the terms and all. Clear? This is what the hard questions of AP, arithmetic progression. Understood? Now still some more problems are there. I will leave you for your work. Okay, go through the solution book. Also refer the reference books given to you, right? So I will wind up this chapter. So rest of the things I am giving to you for extra work. So practice questions are there now. In that I will give you, solve it. If you are not able to solve that, then I will solve that questions. Okay, anyhow school will reopen soon, then you will clarify your doubts. Clear? Understood? Now practice well, then we will meet in the next session.